amidst the celestial canvas of the night sky, where stars twinkled like distant lanterns. And now, a bedtime story slowly unfolded. Join us in the world where majestic sky dancers gather at the Starry Alcove for their serene bedtime rituals. Nocturne owl's celestial perch. As the sun bid adieu to the day, Nocturne owl, having soared through the celestial expanse and danced with the twinkling stars, settled onto a silver crescent moon. Nocturne owl's hushed hoots echoed through the cosmic winds, weaving a celestial lullaby. Good night, Nocturne owl. May your dreams be filled with starlit flights and moonlit melodies. Cozy hummingbird's comet rest. As the moonlit night unfolded, cozy hummingbird, who had danced through meteor showers and rested on ethereal comets, found a snug spot amidst the cosmic winds. Cozy hummingbird's delicate hums mimicked the gentle hum of the universe, and soon a cosmic breeze swept through the celestial aviary. Good night, cozy hummingbird. May your dreams be filled with comet trails and celestial dances. Aurora falcon's Nebula nest. In the heart of the astral tapestry, Aurora falcon, having streaked through auroras and spiraled through interstellar clouds, nestled into a nebula nest. Aurora falcon's cosmic calls resonated with the celestial harmonies, beckoning distant galaxies to join the nightly serenade. Good night, Aurora falcon. May your dreams be filled with cosmic spirals and interstellar voyages. Serenity, albatross's comet roost. Perched on the tail of a comet, Serenity albatross, with outstretched wings and celestial gaze, closed its eyes. Having soared across cosmic seas, Serenity albatross's gentle hums mimicked the celestial currents, creating a cosmic lullaby that echoed through the vastness of space. Good night, Serenity albatross. May your dreams be filled with comet trails and celestial currents. Stardust crane's cloud retreat. Perched on a billowing cloud, Stardust crane, with long, graceful legs and shimmering plumage, closed its eyes as the night descended. Stardust crane's soft calls mimicked the gentle rustling of celestial breezes, carrying cosmic whispers through the skies, creating a celestial lullaby. Good night, Stardust crane. May your dreams be filled with cloud wandering and stardust flights. Galactic Swift's shooting star haven. As the cosmic night unfolded, Galactic Swift, who had raced through meteor showers and twirled among the galaxies, found solace beside a shooting star. Galactic Swift's soft chirps mimicked the celestial melodies, and soon a tranquil hush swept through the cosmic realm. Good night, Galactic Swift. May your dreams be filled with shooting star sprints and galactic twirls. Nebula nightingale's Stardust lost song. Amidst cosmic branches, Nebula nightingale, with feathers adorned in stardust, perched on a celestial twig. Its melodic serenades mimicked the celestial symphony, resonating with the twinkling notes of distant stars, creating a harmonious lullaby. Good night, Nebula nightingale. May your dreams be filled with stardust melodies and cosmic serenades. Comet condor's celestial cliff. Gliding with grace, Comet condor, having streaked through the night sky like a cosmic comet, landed on a celestial cliff. Its winged whispers mimicked the cosmic winds, inviting celestial energies to join in the nocturnal spectacle. Good night, Comet condor. May your dreams be filled with cosmic streaks and celestial sojourns. Star whisper, seagull's galactic shore. Along the cosmic shoreline, star whisper seagull, having surfed the waves of celestial tides, found repose on a glittering cosmic shore. Its calls echoed like celestial whispers, serenading the night with the rhythm of the cosmic waves. Good night, star whisper seagull. May your dreams be filled with cosmic tides and starlit shores. A peaceful silence fell over the world. Little ones, close your eyes and let the Goodnight Birds' bedtime story take you to dreamland. Good night, sweet dreamers. May your dreams be as charming as sky dancers.